Gattu and Chinky were comfortably watching their favorite show on TV, eating popcorn on the sofa, when the doorbell rang. The door opened and their friends Goody, Hari and Bunty came in.
Hey, Gattu Chinky, Christmas is coming. Let's do something new this year. Something we've never done before.
Planning had just begun when another voice was heard.
Is anyone home?
This voice sounds a little familiar. It's definitely Monty. Huh, how does he always know that we all have gathered here?
Auntie, Mom has sent this pickle for you.
Oh, thank you, dear. Come, sit here with the kids. I'll be right back.
Mummy went inside and Monty came near everyone and joined in on the planning.
Now I am also part of this plan. Understood?
Yes, absolutely. What would we do without you?
And all the children sat in a circle again and started thinking of Christmas ideas.
Guys, listen to my fantastic idea. This year, let's play Secret Santa.
Secret Santa? What's that? Yes, please explain.
Look, we'll all make few slips of paper. Each slip will have a name on it. Then, everyone will pick a slip. Whosever's name is on your slip, you have to bring a special gift for that person. And there's an important rule in this game. Nobody should know whose name is on your slip.
Oh, mystery game.
This will be really fun.
I am already excited for this game, friends. The idea is great.
Then Chinky brought a large glass jar.
Okay, now all the slips with everyone's name are in this jar. Pick the slip one by one. And remember, don't show the slip to anyone.
All the children picked up one slip each. They all exchanged secret smiles. And then the real trouble began. As soon as they opened the slips, confusion, excitement, and tension, everything hit each child at once. Gattu looked at the name written on the slip and fell into thought.
Why did I get this name?
All the children now faced the biggest challenge, giving gifts. Just then, Papa also arrived from the office. Hey, what's going on? The whole gang of kids is here together today. Looks like some big planning is underway.
Yes, Papa. We all have planned to make this year's Christmas celebration even more fun.
Wow, that is great. So, what are you all going to do? Chinky and all the other children excitedly told Papa about their secret Santa plan, which made Papa excited too. Wow, children, that's a great idea. Monty, you've come up with a brilliant idea, son. But where will you all keep your gifts?
Yes, we didn't thought about it. Where will we collect the gifts?
No problem. I will take care of it. We'll place a big gift box near the Christmas tree in the park. And everyone can submit their gifts there by evening.
Oh no, we only have time until evening. Come on, hurry up. We haven't even thought about our gifts yet.
All the children went off to arrange surprise gifts for their friends. But Gattu had something mischievous brewing in his mind.
I don't even need to put any effort for a gift. I'll just give anything.
Saying this, Gattu went outside to play cricket. While playing cricket, his ball cracked.
Oh no, my ball is broken. Papa just bought it for me. Oh no, what do I do now?
Gattu was quite sad looking at his cracked ball. But then an idea struck him and he smiled.
Wow, my brain is so smart. Now this broken ball will be my surprise gift.
Gattu quickly took some packing paper from Chinky and nicely wrapped the cracked ball. He smiled and said,
Wow, what a great packing I've done. My gift is ready and the packing makes it looks like there's an amazing gift inside.
After a while, Hari, Goody, Monty and Bunty all came to the park area together. And without showing their gifts to anyone, they put them in the dropping box. Chinky also put her gift in the drop box last. Now, in the evening, all the people of the society gathered in the park. Christmas lights were shining everywhere. All the children looked very cute in their red Christmas dresses. Then Papa made an announcement. Okay, children, this time you all worked very hard and came up with a fantastic idea to give surprise gifts to your friends. And that's why Santa himself has come here with your lovely gifts. Santa ringing his bell and carrying all the children's gifts in his big sack arrived in the society's park singing a song. Seeing him, the children became very excited. Hello, children! Merry Christmas to all of you! You all must be eagerly waiting for your gifts, right?
Yes, Santa Uncle.
So come on then, let's end your wait and I will give everyone their gifts one by one.
Yay!
The first gift is for the sweet little Goody. Goody excitedly came to Santa. And then Santa gave Goody her gift. Goody opened her gift, which contained a very beautiful doll set. Seeing it, a lovely smile appeared on Goody's face. The next gift is for Bunty. Bunty opened his gift. He received a drawing book and a set of oil paints. After this, Santa gave Hurry his gift. And Hurry also jumped up with joy seeing his comic book. Next, it was Chinky's turn. And Chinky received a very beautiful handmade bracelet.
Thank you, my secret Santa. This gift is so beautiful.
After this, Gattu received his gift, which was a customized cap with Gattu Champion written on it. Along with it, a very nice cricket ball. The last gift is for Monty. Come here, Monty. Take your gift. As soon as Monty opened his gift, the smile disappeared from his face. The gift's packaging was very impressive. But what came out from inside was a cracked ball, which made Monty very sad. It's okay, Monty. A gift is a gift. After this, Santa also gave Monty a chocolate and a cake to cheer him up. But Monty was still sad. All the children started happily enjoying Christmas evening with their gifts. But Monty was sitting to the side. Seeing him sad, Gattu felt very bad.
Monty, why are you sad? Throw away this cracked ball and take the ball that was gifted to me, because I got a double gift. No, Gattu, I bought this ball specially for you. You can bowl even better with this.
What? You were my secret Santa? Yes.
Hearing this, Gattu started feeling even worse.
Monty gave me such a nice gift and I didn't do anything for him.
Then the next day, Gattu decided that he would gift his new bat to Monty.